The tree's all apart and ready to go in its big box. I've been looking through seed catalogs, marking the things that I think I might want to purchase. And here's a view of, that's where the tree was, a view of the house without the Christmas decorations. I love those orchids, aren't they pretty? My succulents on each end of the coffee table. And I spread my cat collection out a bit so it's not so all crowded up. We can see the little cat figurines a little better. Do I have enough cats? Yeah, probably. Will I get more? Yeah, probably. And you see, I'm busy watching some of your videos. That's next level homesteading up there, I think. Well, I got all my Christmas decorations put away yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I believe it was. Everything except for the tree, and today I dismantled the tree. Got all the decorations off of it first and all the lights. Hubby helped a little bit. He's invaluable. I don't know what I'd do without him. So it feels good to, as much as I enjoyed the Christmas decorations, it feels good to have them gone for another year. We changed our clock that plays music. Let's see. Let me turn you around. This one right up at the top here. All during December it was playing Christmas music for us. Now it's just playing semi for us at the top of each hour. So that's kind of fun. I hope this is a good year. I'm hoping for it to be. I'm spending some time looking through seed catalogs, making plans. I don't need very many seeds. I'm going to try only to get seeds I really want or really need, because I do have seeds left over from previous years. And unless something changes, I'm not going to be doing a lot of gardening, much to my dismay. We'll see how things go. It just seems like it's one thing upon another as one gets older. But with all y'all's prayers, I will get stronger and be able to do the things that I really want to do. I was telling my hubby this morning, it's discouraging. I have so many things I want to do, and I can't. I start to do them and I'm just, ooh, I can't. So we'll get there. We'll get there. I just wanted to hop on here and make a short video to start out the year with all y'all. Tell you how much I appreciate each one of you. If you would, share my videos. How long have I had this channel? Several years, and I still do not have my 1,000 subscribers. And when I look at my videos, maybe I'm looking at them through the wrong eyes or something. They don't seem any less weird than anybody else's. So I'm not sure why I don't attract people's attention. I would love to grow my channel so that all my work on making videos and doing things I love doing have a little bit of reward at the end. but I will be satisfied with whatever happens. So I don't very often remind you to subscribe and to hit the like button and to share, to hit the notification bell and all that stuff, because I just don't really think that one should have to be reminded all the time of that. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you're going to, right? But do check and make sure that if you're subscribed, you're still subscribed, because I understand YouTube tends to want to unsubscribe people occasionally. Well, I don't have a whole lot to say today. I've got some ideas for some videos coming up, some things that I want to cook and fix in the kitchen, and I want to get some microgreens started. I want to get some lettuce started. I think tomatoes and stuff that go outside. Well, I want to order a micro mini that I can just grow inside. I had some Tiny Tim seeds, but I think maybe I've used them all over the last few years. Last winter I had some Tiny Tim tomatoes all winter. This winter I didn't end up with a plant. So I do want some, I think I want to see if I can get a plant that's smaller than a Tiny Tim with tomatoes that are bigger than the Tiny Tim. And I know that such a creature exists, so I will be looking for those. And I might do some seed swaps with a couple of people that have inquired about it. I am signed up again for Shed Wars, which has nothing to do with sheds and everything to do with gardening. Oh, and I don't know if you can hear, my clock is going to play a song. Hopefully you can hear it. And somewhere I've got a list of the names of the songs it plays, but I like this. I like the songs. Well, I'm going to go ahead and turning my head here so that I can think about what I wanted to say. I'm going to go ahead and sign out for today. I want to think of a good phrase to end my videos with this year too. Last year I was reminding people to let God's love and blessings surround them. And I like that, but I'm thinking I should say something different every year. But I haven't really come up with this year's saying yet. I was talking about letting God hold your hand and don't let go. That's a little awkward. Just as true as it is, the words don't flow real smoothly. So if you've got some ideas for a really cool ending phrase for me, stick them down in the comments, and I will take those suggestions into consideration. So until my next video, again, thank you all for being here. I will see you on my next video. Let God's love and sunshine envelop you with His radiance and put Him in the center of life.